Here's some more. Isn't that beautiful with the sun shining on it? Wow. That is awesome. Here we are. You see my new hiking stick? I haven't finished it yet, but we're working on it. There's my pretty woman there. Say hi.
Hello.
And here we go. We're off. We're off.
The wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. The
Yeah.
wonderful Wizard of Moss.
You actually have to duck.
Some of us do.
Some of these. Oh, some of us do, some don't. As we go through this moss. But it is most beautiful today. Probably the most beautiful I've seen since I've been coming up here almost. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what's ahead of us. Really neat. You can see the water on the other side. Not many bugs out right now because it's like 40 degrees. Probably about 8 o'clock in the morning. Pretty neat though. This is, over there is the end of the road where the bridge has been taken out. And it comes in, the bridge comes back in over there, about in that area. This used to be called Hen House Ridge because they had raised chickens over there. Very pretty. Water's very still. Birds are singing. If I would be quiet, you could hear them.